Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can replace a green screen on CapCut PC with a video. That's what I meant to say. So I'm just going to use like one of these for an example. Let's say this one. I want to replace that with something else in that green screen. Go to your videos or anything and add in the video that you want. I'll just add this one and place it underneath that video. On this one, go to remove background, select chroma key, and select the green area of the green screen. You can adjust the intensity and stuff here, but I'm just going to keep it at like this much. And on the video, you're also going to kind of rotate it and fit it to fit the screen here, like I'm doing right now. And I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller so it kind of can fit. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.